Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set channel specific permissions according to certain roles in your Discord server. So for example, we have an announcements text channel and we want to make it so that only the admins or the owner of the server is able to send messages here. So you can do so by clicking on this little gear icon that says edit channel. Then let's go on over to the permissions tab. So here you have the permissions everybody else has by default, and we can also add specific permissions for specific members or roles. So say we want to make this a view only channel for everybody else, then let's click on the check when it comes to view channel, and then let's click on the X when it comes to everything else. Although specifically, I want to also enable the ability to add reactions. So that way, there is a little bit of feedback from the other members in the server. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed through this. Click on X and let's click on Save Changes. So now let's add the owner role. Now the owner role will have everything set to on. So the slash means that it defaults to the default, or it uses the default setting which is prescribed by the everyone. But since that the owner has the administrator role, he already has full power over this channel. So we can double check this by hitting escape and seeing that we can make announcements. So test announcement. Let's type that in. Then let's move on to our other account. See what it looks like. Go here, go to announcements. A bit of an oversight. Make sure that view message history is checked on. I forgot that that is a thing that they added. Let's go to permissions. Here we go. Read message history. So that's one thing I forgot to tick on, but now it should work. So let's go back real quick. Give it a few seconds. Go to the server, go to announcements, and we can see the message and add reactions, but we don't have the ability or the permission to send any messages here. So this is pretty much exactly how I wanted it to be set up. And yeah, one last thing you can also do is you can create private channels. So private channels and categories are very useful if you want to say, if you want to have something like staff or admin only. Then let's click on private, let's click on next, and we can also have selected roles and members, but let's skip that for now. Let's create a text channel and let's call this meeting agendas. So if you create it in the staff only channel, it will automatically inherit the permissions needed for this channel. You can edit this by going to edit category and then going to permissions, and much the same way you can fine tune it. So let's say we want to add this certain member to have the ability to view and send messages here. That's how we would do so. So that was how to change your channel specific permissions for certain roles or members. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.